Ready to play Genshin Impact on PC in just 90 seconds? Let's get you in Teyvat. Free and easy. Open your browser and go to genshin.hoyoverse.com. Click the Windows button to download the launcher. It's free. Once downloaded, open the launcher file. Choose a folder, click Install, and wait for it to finish. Almost there. Open the launcher, hit Get Game, and let it download the full game. Click Launch when it's done, and you're in. That's it. You're ready to explore Teyvat? Like this video for more gaming tips and start playing now.